OpenAI just secretly launched an AI sales agent, putting every AI SDR at risk. And even though it was a closed event in Japan, I managed to get a full demo, which we'll dissect today to find out whether OpenAI will replace agents like 11x or AI SDR, and more importantly, will OpenAI sales agent replace us, salespeople? So let's dive in. I'm not going to bore you with the full presentation. If you want to see it, I'll leave it at the end of the video. But now let me share all the features about OpenAI's sales agent. So first of all, this agent isn't anything like the agents I mentioned previously. While 11x AI or Agent Frank can go out and find leads, OpenAI's agent only works for inbound, meaning it will only contact leads, warm leads, that end up in your pipeline organically. For example, whenever someone fills in a contact form, that's when OpenAI's agent will fire. And here's what it will do. So first, the agent will get the information about the lead from the submitted contact form. It will then enrich the lead using a couple of other tools to learn more about the lead. It will find information like lead's industry, their company size, revenue, lead's role, location, so on and so forth. This information allows the AI agent to determine whether or not this lead is valuable or a waste of time. If the lead has high buying potential, it's a decision maker, great industry, then the lead will be marked as valuable lead. And this is where it gets interesting. Because the lead is marked as valuable, OpenAI sales agent will try to book a call with them. It will first check calendar availability and then draft a personalized email in your prospect's language to contact them and pitch a meeting. And all of this happens autonomously, saving you or your sales team hours in brain-dead data-filling tasks. Now you may be sitting there and thinking, this isn't anything new. And you're right. AI sales agents like Piper from Qualified have been tackling inbound effortlessly. I'd argue it's even better because Piper can ping the lead on the pricing page, talk to them to further qualify them, and only then book a call. So why is everyone losing their marbles over OpenAI's agent? Well, if you think about it, most AI agents are powered by OpenAI's products like ChatGPT. So this is like going straight to the source. And also, OpenAI recently launched agents and operators, so what we covered in this video could only be a fraction of what OpenAI sales agents could automate. We salespeople do so many brain-dead tasks, filling in CRMs, analyzing data. Based on a Forbes article, salespeople spend only a third of their time doing what they should actually be doing, selling. It's bizarre. That's why these agents are popping up everywhere. That's why you can save hours by delegating your work to outbound AI SDRs like Agent Frank that source code leads for you, enriches them, personalize the emails, handles objections, and whole conversations till it books a sales call. Now I talk more about Agent Frank in this video, but overall AI agents are like a superpower. So if you would like to see me try and build OpenAI's sales agent alternative in NN8 or make.com for pennies on the dollar, if not for free, let me know down below and I'll make a video about that. And now, as promised, let me show you the full demo presentation.
So I wanted to show you a different take on what the future of your organizations could look like. This is a small demonstration just to hopefully inspire you and give you something you can bring back as you look ahead to the rest of this year. Let's start with something we know, sales. Here we have a sales contact form where someone is trying to reach out to OpenAI to learn about ChatGPT Enterprise. Now, we know how this usually works. Someone submits this form, it goes into a system, and then a team of people, account associates, are reviewing the leads to reach out and figure out how best to respond. And this can take hours or days and feel like a slow process for your buyers. What could it look like if you had agents inside of your workforce working for you right now? So first, we'll submit the lead here, and we'll come over to our system. Here you can see what a virtual teammate, a virtual sales associate, could be doing for you with our technology. If we open the task here, we'll see that the agent is picking up work for you already to try to help this lead. The account email came in, and already it's doing what a sales associate might do on their own and researching that lead, figuring out the industry, the revenue, title, and other information. Think back to deep research that you just saw and imagine the ways that this could plug into this as well. It's really exciting. Now, in this case, the agent was able to see that this is a really good prospect. OpenAI wants to buy OpenAI, so we think they're a good customer. And so we're going to get the calendar availability and figure out when we might hop on the phone with them. Then it's going to write an email and get back to them. Now, in this case, this agent hasn't been told to write in any specific language. It's really smart. It realizes that the prospect wrote in Japanese, so it's going to write back in Japanese as well. And sure enough, if we come over to our inbox, we can see that email right here waiting for you. Again, this is just a small demonstration that we wanted to pull together to help you see what it could look like. You can imagine the applications for this are endless. If you start to look around your organization, think about all the small tasks that people in your teams do and the ways those add up. This doesn't have to be an all or nothing process. You can really chip away at this and bring the latest technology into your workforce now and help save your team time and focus on the next steps after that. I hope this is inspiring, and I can't wait to hear what you do with this, deep research, and everything else. Thank you.